of the day,
Yeah,
is just a
no.
name.
Yeah.
Players when singena grounded.
At this point, I no longer know. I don't know anymore. Yeah, they're gonna cook him. They're still gonna grill him. It's gonna be a long season for Nana because this moment is already trending, and it's bad. It's looking bad for him. Hey, see now, even us now, I don't see how I can defend you. We cannot defend you right now. It's out of our hands now. It's, it's out of our hands. There's nothing we can do now. Even you as a man, you're gonna see how you cope. Like, come on, man. This is what you signed up for.
Hey bafowethu ngeke kubi bafowethu for iDurban City. Yabona uNanana kufuneka ibhale bafowethu letter of apology. Apologize lapha bafowethu ukuthatha iPirates is just a name. Yazi ukuthi izinto azihambeli kahle iDurban City after nje leyanto athi Pirates is just a name. iDurban City ke bafowethu iguqiswa izikhukhune ngo-1-0. Nje omude bafowethu laphana kaNdlovu. Hayi ngeke bafowethu funeka ngempela axolise lo mfana, funeka axolise, funeka axolise. Yabona kusho ukuthi le nto ayishilo bafowethu icasule naba kude kakhulu, yabona casuke casuke omagebhulu uqobo lwabo bafowethu. Hawu yisho phela.
Hawu madoda, Pirate is just the name. Ncanana, sorry ndoda, hawu ayi ubani ongijikela uncanana kanjena kodwa bakwethu uyenza kanjani nonto leyo, ngoba uncanana ungenye amaplayer ngiwakhonze kakhulu la kwi-Betway Premier Soccer League. Uyenza kanjani lo muntu lokuthi engajika uncanana kanje? Ubani ojika uncanana kanje? Ubani ongijwayela kabi? Ubani lo ngijikela uncanana kahle kanjena kodwa? Ubani? Hayi yabona kwi-Betway yayibo kujika abantu bajika.
Sanibonani bafethu. Yazi izolo abokhositsile badribula abantu kwayenziwa yonke lenyakanyaka. iKaizer Chiefs nayo idribula abantu inini. iSuperSport yona yavele yakhetha nje ukuposta clip nayi. SuperSport ngabe ufavor ni na? Ngabe ulibhakania? Ngabe ulikhosi? No, mara wena ulibhakania. Angeke. Bafethu why set up incana? Because I know good people did not watch that game. This one bekumele nje niyeke slide. But now we are setting up the boy. Yo, bafethu. Ngiyafunga ngiyagomela. Phinde ngikhulume kabi ngePirates. Phinde bashilo bathi that team is a spiritual team and they banamanga. Ayikho spiritual, akuna spirituality lapha. Spirituality nokuloya not the same thing. Fight Buffett iSuperSport is set up umjita ngeke. But at the end of the day ncanana, Pirates is just a name. Samile, Pirates is just a name. Mina ngiblame iground asesishiya ngiblame. Yo, hayi.
All of my fans. Hey, wabona lo mfana lo? I want this boy. Ati Pirates is just a name. Fanami, the whole world is watching you. Oh, the whole South Africa is watching you, Fanami. As they say, my face, but usukile. Hey, Fanami. But his stadium, the stadium you was wet. Fanami. You were eating the ground. Bobile Pansi, lo mfana lo ubile Pansi. As in fan. Pirates is not just a name. Tina. Pirates. Umfana muzokhala 7 to 6 days left mfanami MTN 8 zokhala mfanami asinanda uphethe ucoach umusha not even no coach lo uyazi ukuthi that time coach eChiefs bashayile 3-0 mfanami uba no Ben Khalifa or whatever ligama lakhe umtshele bazowutshela. It's not about the it's not about the coach, it's about you mfanami uzokhala mfanami. Even ngiyabona ukuthi bawufile le captain usole captain manje, you're the one cruising the ship uzokhala ngathi bakafaka yo pop yo athi left athi right athi dlala pha yo mfanami iSuperSport bafethu bathi yey bawubile phansi wena ncanca bawubile phansi wena Njandini. Hey mfanami wabona into leyo uthi Pirates is just a name. Manje iSuperSport ubhekile abananda ngamagame anye abana even iChiefs winning. The highlight was not about Chiefs, it was about you mfanami. It was about you mfanami and uzokhala. Wabona next week Saturday MTN 8 uzokhala. Yayizwa uzokhala Njandini.
Mfethu yabo thina sabantu veze support ama team ahlukahlukene yabo. Kodwa mfethu yabo thina sisabalandeli. Wena if uyiplayer asoze sakufisela into embi empilweni yabo ukuthi kwenzakale wena ikwehlekele. Wena mfethu kushiyana ngokuthi abantu basukelayo ubasukela kanjani nini kuphi ngasikhatsini. So mfethu yabo uCaptain weDurban City uNcanana. So washo something ngePirates. Okay, some attend after session lo nto yabo sangaba nandaba futhi naye session lo nto yabo. Lo nto ayisidli vese asinendaba naye yabo. Into vethu akayisho naye vethu akayibhodla nakhona futhi angiyiboni into wrong akayisho. So mfethu kodwa thina sikufisela okumbi yabo sabalandeli bayo leyo team leyo okhulume kampi ngayo. Wena uyilandelela amabhadi nje mfethu aqhamuka from ukuthi into wayisho ngalo team leyo. Cha lo team mfethu yabo ngingathini angazi ngiyachaza ngithini. Kodwa mfethu yabo isikhukhulu bedlala neDurban City. So i-team yancanana le mfethu yathatha iNedbank la season. So badlala nePirates so badraw nabo ngo-0-0 mangaphosisi. Ila khona iDurban City yapaka khona ibhasi. So after igame uNcanana washaya ispeech wathi iPirates just a name yabo. So sabalandeli sacikeka sam-attend yabo kodwa khona abasagxile kulonto khona basaphumule kulonto yabo. So thina sabantu asimfisele okumbi asimjudge futhi nento akayisho into futhi ayisho ngomlomo wakhe nakhona into futhi wayikhipha ngaphakathi eyikhulu labo nakhona into errong akayisho. Kodwa uzobona ngamabhadi leke kulandela. Akona amabhadi ethu mhlambe ukuthi mhlambe sikufisela amabhadi cha. Uma umdlalo webhola sikufisela amabhadi siyohlezi sikufisela okuhle because if udlala iDurban City uyafisa ukudlala neclub enkulu yabo nawe uphumelele nje njengabonke abadlali. Kodwa wena bezole kulandelwa amabhadi. Amabhadi nawo kumele ubone umdlalo ukuthi shuthi lento engayisho nakhona ngayisho kwabantu abarong yabo. Shuthi ubone lamabhadi angilandelayo. Bafethu uNcanana udlala iDurban City uCaptain iDurban City ugqoka number 5. Bebedlala nesikhukhulu izola yabo. So nje wathi bedlala nesikhukhulu isikhukhulu sibashayile ngo-1-0. So uNcanana kunalomdlalo lo wesikhukhulu ovele wamshiya kaphansi kabuhlungu yabo. So yabo from ukumshiya bemjika ibhadi lokuqala lelo 2 igame yokuqala iligivoliwe bashaywe ngo-1-0 doesn't matter ukuthi u-1-0 u3 point kodwa loyo